Video 825, we're going to remove the void echoing problem with the bombs, geometry, and fata. So within the ArtGirl shader strings, within shader source number 8, which is the bombs for Josh shader, within the main entry point of that shader, why the fuck is this highlighted? We don't need this. I think I was just looking at this for reference. And then down here, so this is the end of the graph paper rendering section, and we've added this new section called Nothing Can Exist in the Void, the Sin of Early Exit. If we find ourselves in a void room, then we need to exit right after rendering the graph paper because we don't want to render any geometric elements on top of the graph paper if the fragment is inside of a void room, which is one of these black rooms over here. There's still more to fix because we're still mirroring the glass panels and echoing them throughout the void. We'll have to fix that in another video. And then down here's what we did previously, and then our footnotes and whatnot. And if you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You have been here, and source code is here, and ways of getting a hold of me. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch, and I'm documenting every single line of code. I'm open sourcing the engine. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman MMO, specifically Pocket Bomberman style, with GoldenEye style directionally blasting proximity mines. So like, subscribe, and follow.